Instruction, paano ito, pag dumating sa inyo itong magic lotion, this one, instruction ito is, there are 8 directions, north, northeast, southeast, south, southwest, west, and northwest. So, ito ay naka-inscribe dito sa loob. On the base, yellow, gold-plated. So, ito yon. Ayan o. Andito ito yung cure sa south, west, at sa mga hagdan na hindi po ayon sa feng shui or sa bahay na hindi ayon sa feng shui. So, ito yung pinakamalakas. This one. Ganda, oh. So, andito yung nasa gitna. Andito yung metal, earth, fire, wood, and water. So, andito yung 12 zodiac sign. Andito yung degree or yung number, meter. And then sa loob nito, ayan yung infinity sign. Ayan. So nakikita, andito yung infinity sign, no? Sa gilid-gilid, lang humpay, siksik, liglig na biyayang darating sa buhay mo. Tapos meron siyang parang horseshoe. Ayan. Pero ito, mayroon tong gamit. Kasi may mga naka-inscribe ito sa loob. Ayan. Titignan natin. So, ito yung nakalagay niya sa loob. May mga naka-inscribe na mga talisman. Ayan. And then, ito din, meron siyang turquoise. Ayan. May mga naka-inscribe din yan na mga meaning. Okay. So, ito yung kinuha ko for my cure dito sa bahay. So, ito, after you have determined the exact location in your house where you want to place this magic lotion, you should use a compass to align the base. Align the north point shown in the perimeter as 360. So the 360 is here, 360. Ito, 360. Ayan. So, yan yung north. Yan yung 360. So, ayan. On the base, to make sure that is where the needle of the compass is pointing to, red color side of the compass needle normally points to the north. Okay. So, then you should not move this base anymore to prevent misalignment of the star patterns according to their accurate direction. So, next, place the sea rose gold. O, ito yung parang horseshoe. And to the base, there are 5 openings you can adjust according the element you choose. So, air, fire, wood, water, and metal. To remedy, so huhay. So, kung ang mendor mo or ang bahay mo or house mo nasa huhay or yung misfortune, so yun yung earth. So, use metal. So, dito, metal, ito. Yan. And then, to remedy wogwe or yung fire, yung wogwe po is yun yung 5 killings, if I'm not mistaken, right? So, yan. Use earth. So, earth. Ito, earth. Use earth. Ito. So, ayan. Tignan natin kung asa na yung and then, ito naman, to remedy leaf siya, water, ito yung 5 goose, if I'm not mistaken. Use wood, to remedy chuming, metal, use water. So, itong 4 na to, so again, the huhay is the unlucky, which is yan yung mishap. Ang wokwe, yan yung 5 goose. Ang lusha, is yan yung 6 killings. At ang showiming ay yung 2 talos. So, use water. Ito yung water. Ito. So, next, place the tortoise. Ito yung tortoise. On this base, with each head facing to one of the 4 best direction you desire according to your kuwa number. This depend on your aspiration. For example, your Qingxi is yan yung success. Yan yung sinasabi niyo, Qingxi. So, direction determines wealth and overall luck, the Fu Wei. Fu Wei is the personal growth. So, directions for scholarship luck is the 9 yen, yan yung love. Direction for love and relationship, and the 10 yen is direction for health and longevity. So, according to sa iyong kuha, kung ano yung kuha number mo, like yung ano yung success mo, yun yung wealth na area mo. Okay? So, doon mo siya i-compass. So, eto, ang mga meaning nito ay i-next ko vlog pag ma-sit up ko na siya ang itsura. Basta ganun siya pag darating sa'yo. This is the best of all the best na ito kasi pang forever na ito. Kung meron kang ganito, forever mo na siyang gagamitin sa bahay mo, sa negosyo mo. Yan po. Kasi ito po ay pang cure siya. Ito kasi magic lotion, energy infused na din ito. Ito din po ay para sa yung mali-mali ang yung bahay, yung negosyo. Lalong-lalo naman dito sa mga abroad, kailangan nyo to. Ito yung pinaka the best of all. Forever na kasi ito kasi gagamit tayo ng 8 dimensions dito according to your success and personal growth or yung 4 na swerte na location, which is the success, the health, the love, the personal growth, yon. Ito din ay number 1 cure for all sa kabahayanan. Kaya you must have this. Ito po ay original dito talaga abroad. And this was very, very powerful. So, kung nag-adapt ako nito, ito yung need talaga sa bawat isa para whole 20 years ay tayo po ay yayaman, siksik-liglig na biyayang darating at never po mamblema, never masaid. At ito po lahat ng nakatira sa bahay na yan ay magiging okay.